is right there. It's right here. You'll see it again.
A shark. I want to go swim to it, can I?
No.
How's the French toast, bro?
Good.
You love it?
Not say I love it, but what love do you mean?
I mean, are you in love with it?
No. No. I would be kissing it instead of eating it.
Is that a comfortable reading position?
I guess.
Really?
Mhm. What?
Hi, we're at Target here because I'm growing so fast, and my mom told my dad to come here so he could buy me a bathing suit because I don't have one, and we're going to the beach today, so yeah.
Let's go have a look. All right, get that mask on so we can go in. Ooh, like a race car mask.
Yeah. Checkers flag.
The checkers flag. All right.
So I'm getting these shorts.
Hold on.
So I'm getting these swimming shorts. And this one.
Those are cool.
And this.
Oh, nice. I'll be able to see you. You like them?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are super fortunate that we live pretty close to the beach. Doesn't take us very long to drive down there, so we are all packed up and we're going to head down to the beach and meet up with our friends who are camping there. We're not going to camp, we're not big campers, but we're going to meet them down there, play at the beach, and go out for dinner and hang out for the evening, probably get home pretty late, so yeah, we're going to get going. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look at my new floaties.
Oh, Daddy got you new floaties. That's
Just because
awesome. Awesome.
Rawr.
Are you all packed up?
Yep.
Kids are really excited. Jude is going to go boogie boarding. So I'm just getting my stuff ready, packing up 5 kids. Even just to go to the beach for a few hours is a lot of work. So just getting it all together. And why are you bringing your boogie board upstairs?
I forgot to put it with my stuff.
I That goes outside, dude. Don't forget it.
I forgot to put it with my stuff because I was going to go up and get my water bottle.
So, yeah, just packing up all the stuff that we need for a few hours. It's a lot of work, but it'll be fun. So we'll take you guys along and show you our afternoon at the beach. Should be fun, a fun time. So, see you there. Say bye.
Bye.
Wow, look how pretty our neighbor's roses are. I just have to share these with you guys. They're such a vibrant pink color. And the petals are really, really delicate. They're really soft and full. I think these are just really pretty. It's so hot out. Some of them are getting really shriveled up, but some are looking really good. Especially this one. That one looks great. Where are we headed? What are we gonna do?
Boogie board. I'm gonna go
Nothing?
I know.
eat burgers.
I don't know.
S'mores. Watch a movie.
You guys ready to have some fun? Yahoo!
This is kind of fun. I want to have.
Yeah.
Let's ramp it up to a 2. Yeah. Guys, can we go all the way for a 3 out of 10?
Let's go!
Let's go to a 3 out of 10 and then end at a 1.
Beach, 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 beach. We're at the beach. Our friends are camping here, so we're gonna go have some fun in the sun, right?
I hope. Show them their I think we will.
Well, that's not their camper, that's their friends. Their camper is way over there.
Really?
But it's a pretty sweet setup here. Wouldn't it be fun to camp on the beach? What do you think?
That'd be fun.
Yeah, maybe we'll do that someday. Not tonight. Not tonight.
Tomorrow. Jameis is tomorrow.
Come on.
Okay, let's go.
It feels so good to be back in the camp. Very cool shell that actually is open.
so cool when they pull back though, don't they? Are you ready? Are we gonna run from the waves? Oh, here comes the big one! Watch out, here it comes!
No! You're not scary cat at me!
Okay, I don't know if you can hear me. It's a little bit windy, but the boys are heading out to go boogie boarding. They're so excited. Hey guys! Wait! They're too excited to wave. There they go. So fun. Okay, let's see your best throw.
I like just started.
Okay, let's see your best throw. Whoa! Nose dive.
I have to go like
You gotta throw it up. Try to throw it up.
this.
Nose dive.
No, Sky. This is a no air.
Helps when there's wind. The wind died down. Try again. Whoa!
There's a super tiny baby octopus.
Hey, Dad.
I have on my winter t-shirt.
Come on, let's see you go. Come on, Judah. Woohoo! Here he comes. Judah got a good one.
You guys, wait out there though for these ones. Look out there, look. Watch who you want to wait for, right there.
Yay!
Jesse, I got
Jameis is yelling at the waves. What are you two doing?
I'm doing it on the big board and what the?
What are you doing, surfer girl? Okay, Asher, let's see you get one. Asher, catch one. Go out there.
Rolling, rolling.
Nosedive.
Hopefully this works.
Woo! That was great. Yeah, do it from the top of the hill. Woo!
I'm going for the other log. Who wants to come with me? Joel, you can come with. Joel, come on. We're going for the other log.
What are you guys doing?
We're getting logs over here and we're going to make a barrier.
A barrier.
You know the black thing took a long one. He was adopted at
You did it.
I saw him on YouTube. Are you ready
Yeah, explain to me what you're doing here.
So I got some wet sand, and I'm using it so that the stairs don't get destroyed as much. And all the girls that went in actually didn't destroy the stairs like all the boys that went in.
That's cool.
Thank you. Asher, can I try the stairs? Okay.
They actually work. Very nice.
Make a hole for him.
Oh, you got buried. So we're here at the beach, just hanging out with some friends, enjoying the boogie boarding and playing on the beach. It's just been such a nice, relaxing day. It's almost dinner time, so we're going to grill out, have some hot dogs and hamburgers, and then stay until it gets dark and have some s'mores and play on the beach. I think we're going to do some capture the flag and just hang out and enjoy ourselves. So we're having a really great time. Are you having fun, Mishayla?
No.
So we're just having a great time. The kids are having fun, and it's just a gorgeous day. So nice to relax and really nice to have a change of scenery. So it's fun to kick off the summer at the beach. I can't think of anything better than having a coffee on the beach. This is pretty nice.
See, it's right there. It's right here, right here. You'll see it again. Look at it right there.
A shark. I want to go swim to it, can I?
No. Oh, there it is.
Dad, get Mom. Michelle, go get Mom. Go get Mom, quick, Michelle. I saw his feet, I saw his... Mom!
She knows. Yeah.
Water? No, water. Because if that falls in the sand, it almost came off your plate just now. Hey, dinner time at the beach. I'm having a bacon wrapped hot dog. Hawaiian chicken, rice. Already taken a big bite. It's delicious. Would you choose hot dog? Nothing on your hot dog?
Switch to Pokemon. I'm Pokemon in the world. I'll catch Pikachu.
Looks good, Jameis.
I would be at.
When's the last time you had dinner at the beach?
Never.
Never. It's your lucky day.
And I can see the picture.
Will you guys get on the beach, please? I never stayed. I never get to stay up that long. I know, see?
Mishayla, you look so cozy.
I am.
What do you think? Like beach camping?
Yeah. Tiny but cool.
What about you?
Yeah, cool.
I can remember still a tiny cold.
You want to stick a stick in there? Okay. Stick it in.
It was right there. I see a Cheeto puff in there.
That's all you feel, and they'll draft our boat. Like, we'll be trolling, and I see a hit. All set. Don't where you line up. You gotta get out of here.
We're gonna make ultimate s'mores. So we've got the marshmallow, the graham cracker,
What is this?
but we're gonna double down with the Reese's cup.
Oh, I love Reese's. I love Reese's. They're my favorite.
Hey, how about, hey. There's two in here, let's share. Hold a second. Hey, pull it out. Put that one back, let's share.
Jameis, how good? Oh, there we go.
There's two in here, so let's share, okay? I'll take one.
I have two 10s, like an REI 10 and a 10-man 10. I already broke my 10-man 10.
We have like a 10-man, and it's just too big. It's hard to set up. You have like time. Nancy and I are done setting up. It's like, you did?
Okay. That's why I'm taking a bomb.
See, that's what I would want to get Connor into. I think it's first generation Colorado. Which one's the first generation Colorado?
Beauty and brown. Mom, can you turn the light out?
Post beach. You guys get enough sun today?
It's like 10 something. We don't stay up this late. Come off the. I've been up later than this. Hi guys, we just came home from the beach. It's like 10 something right now. And I hope you hit the bell, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up to this video. Bye! Tired?